The Office of the Secretary General received an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte filed by civil society groups. The House of Representatives is constitutionally mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed in accordance with the 1987 Philippine Constitution.
Ang reklamo ay inendorso ng Akbayan Party List. Dumating din kanina si dating Senador Leila de Lima sa tanggapan ng Secretary General ng Kamara kasabay ng paghahain ng complaint for impeachment. Nang tanungin natin June kung bakit sumama siya, ito ang naging tugon ng dating mambabatas. Ma'am, nandito tayo.
There's a group just filing an impeachment complaint.